Welcome to the last video of this module. In the last video, we have discussed the very important points of comparison between digital marketing and traditional marketing. These points were measurement and tracking, generation of potential leads, performance oriented, and the real-time results. Now let us discuss the next point, that is the audience control. In the age of internet, you cannot force the content on your audience. He can decide when, where, and how he will consume the content. Like different people have different preferences. One may like to read a blog, another may like to watch a movie on YouTube instead of television, or someone may like to watch cricket match on mobile app. You must have observed that most of the advertisement in digital marketing match with your interest. For example, ads on Google SERP, ads on YouTube, ads on Facebook, ads on any page of the website. Moreover, if you are not interested in these ads, then you have the option to stop these ads. Let me show you an example here. In Google search engine, if you don't like ads of a particular brand, you may click on Why this ad option to stop viewing the ads from any brands in the future. You may also exercise other options like the topic you like, topic you don't like, or you may completely opt out from the ads. Similarly, skip ad button on YouTube ads, opt out option in email, and stop pop-ups from the browsers are the other options which a user may exercise if he is not interested in ads from the various brands. Sorry, I received a call from insurance company. I unsubscribed it many times, but still I am receiving the calls from the same company. This is what exactly happens in traditional marketing. You don't have much control on it. Therefore, we can conclude that in case of digital marketing, users have more control when compared with the traditional marketing. Now let us discuss the next point, that is interactivity. Interactivity means that companies can interact with their potential customers or vice versa in real time by using various modes like Facebook page, blog comments, online reviews, live chat, YouTube video comments, and many more. Usually, traditional marketing methods don't allow such type of audience interaction. The another benefit of interactivity is that you can encourage your prospect to buy the product, to visit the website, to write the review, to rate the product, to read the review, and to give the feedback. It can be easily noticeable by the prospect in the market. Now, let us discuss with the next point, and that will be the last point of discussion. The point is fair play and equity. Sometimes we think that digital marketing is usually done by big brands, and it's not a small scale business's cup of tea. No, it's not that way. In digital marketing, any business can contend with their competitor, irrespective of the size, with well-crafted digital marketing strategy and skills of digital marketing. With this, we have completed our second module. We have compared the digital marketing with the traditional marketing. Now, let me give my final remarks here. Although it's clear that in India, digital marketing is really picking up, but still, the traditional marketing has its own significance. They both are complementary to each other. It's up to the businesses how can they leverage the power of both to achieve their organizational goals. Thank you very much.